Hello students, in today's class I am going to show you the internal structure of the kidney. So this is going to be an interesting video for all of you. So to conduct this experiment just we need a kidney of sheep or goat, a scalpel or sharp blade or knife, and a wax tray or any plate available to you, and just a jug of water. So now I am going to start the experiment. So watch till the end. This is very important. So watch till the end. So this is the kidney I have collected, and I have removed the excess fat or the tissues present around the kidney. Now you can see this is bean shaped kidney, and this kidney is surrounded by a white layer. You are observing this white fat layer is surrounding the kidney. The outer portion of the kidney is convex shape and inside concave, and you are finding a hole that is very important, that is called hilus. So from where the ureter comes out and the blood vessels enter. So just before starting the dissecting the kidney, just I want to measure the length. So you can observe the length of the kidney. So approximately it is 5.5 centimeters, and width you can see, so 3 centimeters width. And also I want to see the thickness. I want to measure the thickness. It is 2 centimeters thickness. Now I want to show you the three connections related to the kidney. One is renal artery, and the another one is renal vein, and the middle one is ureter. So renal artery enters the kidney, renal vein and the ureter, they come out from the kidney. Okay, so these are the three vessels. Now I want to start the dissection. So with the help of a sharp scalpel, I am cutting the kidney longitudinally. That is very important. So from anterior to posterior. So I have started the cutting. Gradually I am cutting the kidney. Okay, so finished cutting. Now I am opening the two parts of the kidney. So clearly already we have started observing the cortex and medulla. Okay, so the outer portion cortex, and the inner portion is medulla. So again, to show you very clearly the internal structure of the kidney, sometimes directly we will get the parts very clearly, but here to show you clearly the internal structure of kidney, just I am removing the unnecessary flesh, and by using the scalpel. Okay, so again I am trying to dissect it. See, you are finding the structures clearly. Okay, have some patience to watch it. So finally I got the structure what I expected. Okay, right. Now you can see the internal structure of kidney very clearly. So you are finding some pyramids like structures, renal pyramids, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the other side, so 7 are there totally. Okay, and in between the renal pyramids, so I am pointing with you can see white color structures I am showing you. That is very important. That is nothing but the blood vessel, that is renal artery. So that is I am pulling the artery, you can see. So the artery is entered among the gaps of the renal pyramids. That is very important. So once again I try to pull it. You can see very clearly. That is artery. That is very important. Now you can see here. So this is calyx. You are finding everything clearly. You are observing it very clearly. Okay. So after filtering the blood through the renal pyramids, the urine enters the calyx. Okay, that is the terminal part of the renal pyramid you are observing, that is renal papilla I am showing you. The filtered urine will enter the ureter. Okay, so very important thing. So clearly you are observing all the structures, cortex and medulla, that is cortex, and these are all nothing but the medulla renal pyramids, and the sharp parts of the renal pyramids are called renal papillae. Okay, right. You can see again connected all the blood vessels clearly. Okay, right. I think you enjoyed this video.